How to set photo timer on Insta360 X5. So first of all, on your device, tap on the camera icon and make sure that you go to photo mode. After that, just go ahead and tap on this option that shows 72 megapixels or any other option you have chosen. Now from here, you can choose the resolution first. Then below, you can see timer option. You can set the time according to your preferences. I'm going to tap 3 seconds. Now, once the timer has been set, just tap on the circle button on your device to capture a photo. With that, you can see that the photo has successfully been taken from your Insta360 X5 device on timer mode. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.